A maintenance manager's guide to creating and using FMEA. A vicious ransomware attack hit the city of Atlanta in March 2018. It ended up being one of the costliest breaches in the last decade. Public services were disrupted. Departments were forced to do essential paperwork by hand. What happened in Atlanta is a cautionary tale with one big lesson: risk can never be eliminated, but it can be managed. This is especially true in maintenance. Equipment failure is inevitable. But knowing how to reduce the likelihood of failure, and how to react when it happens, is critical to success.